Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Understanding the Lifeline Program. This is a federal assistance program that helps low-income Americans get free or discounted phone service. It's been around for decades and it's completely legit. You can get a free basic smartphone and monthly service covered by the government. Step 2. Check your eligibility first. You need to make sure you qualify before applying. Most states consider you eligible if you're at or below 135% of the federal poverty line, or if you're already on benefits like SNAP, Medicaid, or SSI. Step 3. Gather your required documents. You'll need to prove your income or current benefits. Bring tax returns, pay stubs, or benefit letters from your state agency. Having these ready makes the application process way faster. Step 4. Choose an approved carrier or provider. There are tons of carriers offering Lifeline service like Assurance, SafeLink, and Q-Link Wireless. Each one offers slightly different phone options and coverage areas. Compare a few before deciding which works best for you. Step 5. Complete your application. You can apply online through the carrier's website, by phone, or in person at their office. Fill out the application form honestly with your personal and financial information. Once submitted, expect approval in about 2 to 3 weeks.